Here, buddy. Hey, Brayden, get that robot. Brayden, hey, get the robot. Hi. 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 Where's your snake? Oh, he's wrestling it. Look, the snake's got him. He's gonna be the, what do you call it, crocodile hunter or whatever his name was.
You got it!
You killed the robot! You got him, buddy!
I can't buy a brand new car. I can't even afford to buy him a decent used one.
Hello, Brendan. Hey, Brayden! What are you doing down there? What are you doing down there? Uh-oh, you've got the snake again. Daddy, the battery's dying. It's dying slowly. Ah! Mama, mama. He doesn't know whether to beat the snake up or attack the robot. Superhero. Poor robot. Have you eaten
Well,
it?
I had to give him that one because he kept attacking my big one. Big one's too expensive for him to be knocking it over all the time.
Uh-oh, Daddy, it's almost dead. You can't get up. Uh-oh. It's like a turtle. Laying on his shell.
So I'll kick it. What are you doing?
Count to 3, he's down. I thought you fell on the back of your head. You got a spot on the front of your head. There he goes, hot rod. Grumpy, grumpy. Grumpy, grumpy. Brayden the snake wrestler. You got him by the tail. Oh no! Get him, Brady! Get him, Brayden! Get him, buddy! Oh, he's biting his tail. Boy, that means business.
You tooted.
Good catch. There he is. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hi.
It used to be in a rubber room.
Yeah, they kind of do by this age. You gonna be in a rubber room so you don't get no more boo-boos? That's your binky. Up in the mouth. Wrong way.
You don't need that.
He said it was just laying here for me, Daddy.
Attack! Attack! Attack!
Uh-oh, where'd he go? Get that robot. Get that robot. Oh, what's the matter? Daddy threw your passy. Daddy.
You don't need that.
He threw his pasty.
Spit it out.
He doesn't have it. It fell out. But he's upset. Oh, don't be sad.
You're gonna fall over.
Where'd your pasty go? So yeah, I gotta hide it from my daddy so I don't throw it again. Now it's safe. Uh-oh.
Heel, waiting.
Looks like you got a mohawk, kiddo.
Here. Say please. Please. Put.
Can't really, I don't think he really wants it. He just wants something to play with. There comes the duck. You just don't know. Uh-oh, it got your hiney, buddy. It got your hiney.